Dr. Trimble, you talked about two more scenarios. They are here, but I think they are with everybody in their paperwork. So you must all be waiting for this moment where I say thank you and we can go home and have a good rest. Just to say that planning this program and keeping you uppermost in my mind was what helped our team come this far. I had a great team. I had a great committee, actually, academic committee, that helped our CLT advisory that helped us. But there are some of you that I need a special mention, and it's not just a formality that I'm doing. I'm truly thankful to you from the bottom of my heart. I think it's the ITS that was very helpful, the events office, very, very helpful, Marcom, extremely well done, purchase office, we had our tiffs along the way, but you came through. I'm sorry for the Marcom, that's not Marcom, right? What is that? Marketing office, see, why? Okay, is it called Marcom?
Yes.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Thank you. And I was like, what am I talking about? Yeah, marketing office was helpful. Advancement and alumni, they helped us reach out the top minds. Admissions office for some information that we needed. Vice director's office for their continuous support. I cannot thank them enough at the office, and especially Raneem for bothering you so much. And of course, there is our students, our beautiful, smart, young students. In the white dress, I think that was Mavish's idea, and it's worked gorgeously. I mean, I was like, really, everybody dressed in black and white, and that came through. And I cannot thank this team standing in front of you. Mavish, I have half a mind to kill you for leaving us, but with due deference to your own wishes. I am very sad to see you go, if I can say that.
But I'm still at FC. People are asking me if I'm leaving FC. I'm not leaving FC. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just resuming as a full-time associate professor at the department because I want to continue my research.
I know. I found out very early on that she is a researcher and a teacher at heart. And at CLT, that's not what we do. So I appreciate that, the frankness. Fatma has been great. Abil has been great. Gohar, I have half a mind to say you didn't do as well because that's what you are. But you were superb in how you brought everything together. For the first time in my life, if I may share a small secret, I did not come to the venue. I did not have to see what is happening. I did not have to tie up the menu. I did not have to tie up this seating. I used to come and do all of these things. And Gohar has progressed so far. He said, everybody go home. I'll take over. Mavish was there off and on, so I can't thank you enough. The CLT Advisory Committee, if you're still here, please stand up. You have been very, very helpful. Thank you. You endorsed our programs, you discussed our program with us, you guide us. We always call out on you when we are in doubt for brainstorming. I'm really thankful. And with that, I want us to go home happy and peaceful. And tomorrow is another day. Please remember that I don't know if we have the program. This is the feedback for you. But tomorrow, Dr. Trimble, we are meeting here again at 3:30? 3 p.m., please. I didn't say 3:30. So 3 p.m. sharp, we'll see you here. And we'll have a remarkable direction setting by Dr. Trimble, where he will talk about some of the things that are to be aligned for NECHE and for our next step forward. And thank you again for being very, very kind, and thank you so much. ये टीम यहाँ क्यों नहीं आई? हाँ? बुलाओ, आओ, खड़े हो. We'll have a clap. Come on. नहीं, बस खड़े हो जाए ना. Please, come on. उसी वैसे खड़े हो. हाँ? निमरा चलेगी. Why didn't you come before, huh? इधर आना था, पीछे खड़े हो गए बेवकूफ.